Hey everybody, Dave Hamilton with Mac Geek Gab here at CES 2025. And this year the TCL booth had some fun stuff and I just enjoyed walking through it. So I thought you might like to come with me on this one. They had this cool cube up display at the front, and then immediately out of the corner of my eye, after swimming through this sea of people that just came upon me, I saw a 115-inch TV using their new QD mini LED technology. This looks fantastic. It really is clear. And of course, you can get it in a size that you wouldn't have to spend $20,000 for, which is in fact what this is. But then there was a 163-inch micro LED TV, which also looked fantastic. The first one was 4K. It really amazing stuff. And then they had this TCL Art, which I just found captivating, kind of standing amongst these towers, which were screens, of course, as they always are. The salmon made me walk this way. And it's just, see, I was just telling you, it's this vibrant thing and very cool. And then there's a screen here that I had to walk around. So let's see this thing? It's like Monet stuff. It's cool. And then here's this screen that comes to life as we come around it. Amazing stuff. Stay subscribed to see all the cool tech that we found here. Make sure to listen to the podcast, Mac Geek Gab, so that you can hear our dissections of it. And speaking of all of our coverage, thanks so much to our sponsors that make it happen. That includes CCC Backup from Bombic Software, Eero, the Wi-Fi mesh folks, PIA VPN, Roborock, and the Omni Group. Without them, we could not do what we're doing. Pete and I couldn't be here doing this. Sadie couldn't be in the back office doing that. So thanks to all of our sponsors. Thanks to you. And hey, we'll see you next time.